What a fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, And today's tutorial video is on Binance and it's on how you guys can buy bakery token in Binance. Now, for those people who do not know Binance or are new to Binance, let me tell you guys what Binance is. Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top crypto exchange, a lot of people use it. And since a lot of people use it, it's pretty secure as well. So by listening to this, if you guys have decided to open an account in Binance, then there's a referral link in the description which gives you $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So use that and enjoy your free $10 bonus. And let's get into the video on how you guys can buy bakery token in Binance. Now before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's move forward. First step, go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then go on versus trade and on classic. I like to go on classic, but if you like advanced, it's your choice. All right. Once you're over here, you want to search for bake. Now remember, bakery token is also known as bake. All right. Or the short form of bakery token is bake. So after you search for bake over here, make sure to choose whichever thing you want to use to buy bake. I want to use USDT, so I'm going to click on bake/USDT. Once I do that, I can scroll a bit down over here and go on versus market. Now, if you know how to use limit, then you can. But since I, think you guys are beginners, so I'm going to go on market and I would suggest all the beginners to use market. And over here, enter the amount of bakery token you want to buy. And yeah, market means you're going to be buying bakery token at its current amount. All right. Just click on buy bake and your bakery token will be bought. That's basically how you guys can buy bakery token in Binance. Hope you understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.